Is the credit card industry about to get flipped on its head? And more importantly, is one specific fintech giant about to catch the biggest windfall of the decade? Welcome back to the Daily Stock Drop, your number one source for the market moves you need to know before the opening bell. Today, we are diving deep into a new development that has SoFi CEO Anthony Noto very excited. But before we jump into the charts and the news, a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and everything you hear today is for entertainment purposes only. The stock market is risky, so always do your own research. Alright, here is the situation. There is a major proposal floating around from Donald Trump to cap credit card interest rates at just 10%. Now, if you have a credit card, you know that current rates are usually double that, sometimes even nearly 30%. A 10% cap sounds great for the consumer, right? But for big banks like Chase or Citibank, it's a nightmare. If banks can only charge 10%, they are going to stop lending to anyone who looks even slightly risky. They'll tighten their belts, slash credit limits, and leave millions of Americans looking for cash elsewhere. And that is where SoFi comes in. According to a recent report, which we've linked below, SoFi CEO Anthony Noto believes this regulation would actually be a massive bullish signal for his company. Here's the logic. If traditional banks stop issuing credit cards because they can't make a profit at 10% interest, the demand for capital doesn't just disappear. People still need to borrow money for weddings, home improvements, or emergencies. Noto argues that this drives people straight into the arms of the personal loan. In fact, Noto was quoted saying, "If credit card lending contracts, SoFi personal loans become the solution before the problem exists." Essentially, instead of using SoFi to consolidate high-interest credit card debt, which is their current bread and butter, customers would come to SoFi for smart, upfront financing right from the start. So while the big banks are panicking about losing their profit margins, SoFi is positioned to scoop up all those customers left out in the cold. It changes their business model from fixing a debt problem to preventing it entirely. For SoFi shareholders, this could mean a surge in loan originations and a dominant position in the lending space. But what do you think? Is this the catalyst SoFi has been waiting for, or will the regulations hurt the entire sector? Let me know in the comments below. If you got value from this video, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a daily stock drop. I'll see you in the next one.